Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this background on CapCut PC. I actually don't think I need this one. I'll just use the white one. Just going to make this a little bit big, and I'm just going to go to mask and I'll select the mirror one. I'm just going to rotate it first because I want the base of the grid. Copy and paste that, and I'm just going to do it the other way around. Then you're going to want to copy and paste this many times until you have created a grid. This is a very tedious process. If you don't want to do this, just go and find a photo of a grid. I'm just trying to space them out equally. Yeah, well, I'm trying to. If you have too many overlays, just create the compound clip now, which is fine. Okay, which one is that one? Okay, that is this one, and I'm just going to, it's not going to be even, honestly, but this is just me trying. How many layers can I add? I guess a lot. Sorry if it's going to be a little bit uneven. After this, I'm going to make it into a compound clip, by the way, because I don't want all these layers to be in the way. There we go. Select all, right click, create compound clip here. You have this grid, okay? It doesn't look even, but you're just going to go to effects here, and you're going to search for the you're going to go to distortion here, and you're going to add ripple distortion to the clip. You'll also want to make this a little bit longer before though. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You can adjust how distorted you want it to be. God, the file is a little bit heavy. But here you can adjust the blur, the twist, the strength, the sharpen here as well, the size, and you can put it under any video that you want. Again, I think it is a little bit better if you just take the grid from Google, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!